Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by protecting your data. Back up essential files to an external drive or cloud so you can delete freely. Next, open Settings, go to System then Storage to see what's using space. This shows large categories like apps, documents, and temporary files. Empty the recycle bin now and run Windows Disk Cleanup to remove temporary system files and thumbnails. Once done, you'll already free up several gigabytes and be ready to target larger, recoverable items deliberately. Now remove the heavy hitters. Go to Settings, Apps and Features and uninstall programs you no longer use. Sort by size to prioritize. Use Storage Sense or a disk analysis tool to locate large files and folders. Inspect downloads, videos, and old installers, then delete or move them. For large media, move photos and videos to an external drive or cloud storage, and compress archives when appropriate. Make sure to check user profiles and program data for orphaned large files before proceeding. Finish by running disk cleanup with system files selected and enable Storage Sense to automate future cleanups. If you have an HDD, defragment it. For an SSD, run Optimize to ensure trim is active. This maintains performance and true free space. After cleaning, verify free space in storage settings. If space doesn't reflect changes, check for disk errors with chkdsk and run a malware scan, reboot and rescan. If problems persist. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.